So I found a creative way to do a staircase runner that's only gonna cost me $100. And what I did was I went to a local home decorating shop and picked up 5 small decorative area rugs. So these rugs are about 24 inches by 40 inches. And they didn't have 5 of the same rugs, and that's how much I need to get all the way down the staircase. So what I did was I picked out various rugs that had similar color tones but different textures, and they kind of play off of each other so that we can have one long staircase runner. And I played around on my back staircase a little bit to figure out the sequence that I want them to go in. And I think I found the perfect way to make them feel like they were always meant to be together in a staircase runner.
With my pattern organized, I'm ready to start my carpet installation. I cut and secure carpet pads to keep my mats from slipping. Then starting from the bottom, I begin to secure my rugs using a staple gun. So here's my version of a poor man's runner, and you can do this at home with a little bit of sweat and some hard work and some patience and get yourself a cool looking runner that will really be different than anything anybody else has. And you can do it for $100.